Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is right circular cone. S is the slant height, H is the height and R is the radius of the base. So S square is equal to H square plus R square. Lateral surface area or curved surface area is pi rs. Total surface area is pi r into S plus R. Volume of the right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. First question, the height of the cone is 16 centimeters and diameter of the base is 24 centimeters. Find its slant height. From the formula, S is equal to root of H square plus R square. Substituting the values, height is 16. So 16 square plus R is 12. Diameter is 24. So R is 12. 12 square. 256 plus 144. Keep this in root. Root of 400, which is equal to 20 centimeters is the slant height of the right circular cone. Second question, a cone of height 7 centimeters and base radius 3 centimeters is carved from a rectangular box of wood 10 centimeters into 5 centimeters into 2 centimeters. Calculate the percentage of wood wasted. Volume of the rectangular box means cuboid. So length into breadth into height. Substituting the values, 10 into 5 into 2, which is equal to 100 centimeter cube is the volume of the rectangular box. Now we should find the volume of the right circular cone. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substituting the values, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value is 3. So 3 square into h is 7. Cancellation, 7 ones. So 22 into 3 is 66 centimeter cube is the volume of the cone. Now we should find the volume of the wood wasted, that is 100 minus 66, which is equal to 24% of the wood is wasted. Third question, the radius and height of a right circular cone are in the ratio 5:12 and its volume is 2512 cubic centimeter. Find the slant height and radius and curved surface area of the cone. Let R be 5x and height be 12x. Here the volume of the cone is given. Volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 3.14, that is 22 by 7 value is 3.14 into r square. 25x square into h, that is 12x is equal to 2512. 3 ones and 3 fours. 4 into 25 is 100. So 3.14 into 100 into x cube is equal to 2512. Cancelling the zeros, 314 into x cube is equal to 2512. X cube is equal to 1 times and 8 times 8. X is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, r is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeters, and height is equal to 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeters. Now we should find the slant height. So L is equal to root of r square plus h square, which is equal to r square value is 100 plus h square, that is 24 square, which is equal to 26 centimeters. The slant height is 26 centimeters. Now we should find the curved surface area. The curved surface area is pi r L, which is equal to 3.14 into r value is 10 into L is 26. On multiplication we get 816.4 centimeters square. Fourth question, a right cylindrical vessel is full with water. How many right cones having same diameter and height as those of the right cylinder will be needed to store the water? Now number of cones required is equal to volume of the cylinder by volume of the cone. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. All this gets cancelled. It is 3 cones. So the number of cones required is 3. Fifth question, the volume of a cone is 616 meter cube. Its perpendicular height is 27 meters. Find the radius of the base. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 616 meter cube is given. Substituting the values, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. R value we should find, so keep it as r square into height is 27 is equal to 616. 3 ones, 3 nines. 11 2 times, 11 56 times. 2 ones and 2 28s. So r square is equal to 196 by 9. R is equal to root of 196 by 9. So we get the r value as 14 by 3. This can be written as 2 by 3 centimeters. R value is 2 by 3 centimeters. Sixth question, from a solid right circular cylinder with height 10 centimeters and radius of the base 6 centimeters, a right circular cone of same height and base is removed. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Volume of the remaining solid is volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h minus volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Taking pi r square h common, 1 minus 1 by 3. So pi into r square h into 2 by 3. Let us substitute the values now. 22 by 7 into r value is 6 centimeters. So 6 into 6, height is given as 10 centimeters into 2 by 3. 2's, which is equal to 240 into 22 by 7. This can be written as 5280 by 7 centimeter cube is the volume of the remaining solid. Seventh question, it is required to make a hollow cone of 24 centimeters high whose radius is 7 centimeters. Find the area of the sheet metal required including the base. The metal required is curved surface area plus pi r square. Here the base is a circle, so area of the circle is pi r square. The curved surface area formula is pi r L. The L is the slant height into pi r square. Taking pi r common, pi r into L plus r. Now substituting the values. Here we don't know the value of L, so first we should find the value of L. L is equal to root of 24 square plus 7 square, which is equal to root of 625. That is L value is 25. Now substituting the values, that is 22 by 7 into r value is 7, L plus r, 25 plus r is 32. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 32 is equal to 704 centimeter square is the metal required. Eighth question, the slant height of a conical tomb is 17 1 by 2 meters. If its diameter is 28 meters, find the cost of constructing it at the rupees 135 per meter cube and also find the cost of whitewashing its slant surface at the rate of rupees 3.30 per meter square. We know that height is equal to root of h square minus r square. H is given as 17 1 by 2. This can be written as 35 by 2 whole square minus r is 28 is the diameter, so r is 14 square. We get the h value as 21 by 2 meters. In order to find out the cost of constructing, first we need to find the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now substituting the values, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value is 14. So 14 into 14 into h is 21 by 2. Cancelling. 3 7s 21. 2 7s, which is equal to 2156 meter cube is the volume of the cone. Cost of constructing is 2156 into 135 rupees. On multiplication we get 291060 rupees is required to construct the cone. In order to find out the cost of whitewashing, first we need to find the curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area is pi r L. Substituting the values, 22 by 7, r value is 14, L is 35 by 2. 22 into 35 value is 770 meter cube. We got the curved surface area is 770 meter cube. Now the cost of whitewashing is 770 into 3.30. On multiplying we get rupees 2541 rupees is the cost of whitewashing the cone. Ninth question, the radius of base of a right circular cone is 3 centimeters and height is 4 centimeters. Find the total surface area. The total surface area formula when height and radius is given is pi r into root of h square plus r square plus calculating 22 into 3 into 8 by 7, which is equal to 528 by 7. This can be written as 75. 3 by 7 centimeters square is the total surface area of the cone. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Press bell icon to get notified. Now let us discuss about the frustum. If a cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base so as to divide the cone into two parts, if L is the slant height and H is the height, R is the top radius and capital R is the base radius, and this part is called as frustum. Now this slant height formula is root of h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. Curved surface area is pi into small r plus capital R into L. Total surface area formula is pi into capital R plus small r into L plus r square plus capital R square. Now the volume of the frustum formula is pi h by 3 into small r square plus capital R square plus small r into capital R. Question number 10 based on the frustum. A frustum of right circular cone has a diameter of 10 centimeters and top 6 centimeters. Height of the frustum is 5 centimeters. Find the slant height, curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the frustum. Here small r is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeters. Capital R is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 centimeters. And h is given as 5 centimeters. This is the information we get from the question. Now let us find the slant height. L is equal to root of h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. So h square value is 25 plus capital R minus small r, that is 5 minus 3, 2 square. Keep this in root. 25 plus 4, that is root of 29, which is equal to 5.385 centimeters is the slant height of the frustum. Now let us find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of the frustum formula is pi into capital R plus small r into L. Substituting the values, 22 by 7 into capital R is 5, small r is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 into L value is 5.385. The curved surface area is 135.4 square centimeters. Now let us find the total surface area. Total surface area is equal to pi into capital R plus small r into L plus small r square plus capital R square. Substituting the values, 22 by 7 into capital R plus small r is 8 into L value is 5.385 plus R square is 9 plus capital R square is 25, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 77.08. Cancelling this, we get 11.011. 22 into this value is 242.25 square centimeters is the total surface area. Volume of the frustum formula is 5h by 3 into small r square plus capital R square plus small r into capital R. 22 by 7 into h value is 5 by 3 into r square is 9 plus capital R square is 25 plus 5 3 is 15. We can write this as 22 by 7 into 5 by 3 into 49. 7 times 22 by 3 into 35. We get the value as 256.67 centimeter cube is the volume of the frustum. 11th question. The slant height of the frustum of a cone is 20 centimeters and the height of the frustum is 16 centimeters. The radius of the smaller circle is 8 centimeters. Find the volume of the frustum and the curved surface area. In the question, L is given as 20 centimeters, h is equal to 16 centimeters and small r is 8 centimeters. Now we should find the capital R. We know the formula. L is equal to root of h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. Now substituting the values, 20 is equal to capital R minus small r, that is small r value is 8 plus h is 16 square. 20 is equal to root of r square plus 320 minus 16 r. So r square plus 320 minus 16r is equal to 400. R square minus 16r minus 80 is equal to 0, or r minus 20 into r plus 4 is equal to 0. R is equal to 20 and r is equal to minus 4 are the two values we get. But this is impossible. The radius can't be minus. So r is equal to 20. Now the volume of the frustum formula is pi h, that is 22 by 7 into h value is given as 16 by 3 into r square, that is 400 plus small r is 64. 8 into 20 is 160. 22 by 7 into 16 by 3 into we get the value as 624. 3 ones and 3 208 times. So we get the value as 73,216 by 7 centimeter cube is the volume. To find the curved surface area, the formula is pi into capital R plus small r into L. That is pi into capital R plus small r is 28 into L value is 20. 20 into 28 is 560 by centimeter square is the curved surface area of the frustum. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and share with your friends. Press bell icon to get notified.